This right here is what we call Welcome to Miami. But tonight, we just gonna call it Fiesta. Cause I don't wanna care where you are or what you doing. If you in a club tonight and you wanna party, I wanna see you get crazy. Yeah, everybody. Yo, it's a party. Change the world, a party with the hottest girls. I'm looking for a model chick about 5'10" with her hair and curls, and a body like Beyonce to put it on me. While she's shaking it right, making me sweat every step of the way, so I know where I'll be by the end of the night. Like, we get sexy, cause the sex with me is like a recipe. So I'm scraping a plate in a first class spangles into my hot club, I'm like royalty. She's spoiling me, up in Central Pay to keep boiling me. Cause the party too hot up in MIA, but we partying every day, baby. Baby, partying every day. Come to the party, Fiesta. This night will last forever. Siempre, come on. We're just gonna call it Fiesta. Looking for somebody special tonight, cause I swear shorties be eating me up. My life is a party, so tonight we gon' party and die on the dance floor. And wake up tomorrow in Vegas, cause baby, that's just what I asked for. See, I'm a working man with a working plan, and it's working, baby. I went from nowhere to somewhere.